all of you are doing really great and amazing. Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, that's really great to see all of you on the class, Bacha. Good afternoon to everyone. Okay, and thank you for being on time for joining this amazing class, Bacha. The video and the audio is clear. Miss you, Ronak sir. Why, Bacha? I understand. Yes. Okay. After a long time, Ronak sir. Okay. How many of you know me? कितने जन को पता है? Yes. I think I'm gonna take the very first class. You guys know? Oh, so you guys miss me? चलो. No worries, I'm back, okay? Sir, you were for the match for me. Okay. Good afternoon to all my amazing students. I'm very seeing you for the first time, okay? Yes, so much. Okay, Aaron. Okay. Namaste, Vecho. Namaste. Yes. Okay. So I hope all of you are super ready. Pariniti, Madhav, Vivan, we have Adyansh and Daivik. Hello everyone. Good afternoon to everyone and ready for the class. How many of you are meeting me for the first time? You can raise your hand. All? Madhav, you know me? Oh. Pariniti, you know me? All of you are meeting for the first time. That's great. Kya baat hai? Okay. Akshita, we have Shastri, Adyansh, we have MD Daniel, Sashwat. Meeting me for the first time, you can raise your hand. Okay, Sashwat, you know me? Okay, you were there in last year? Which grade? Fourth? Nice. Welcome to the class, beta. Otherwise, yeah, we have Devaj, we have Radhika, Adi, Aviral, Pranav. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon to all of you, bacho. How many of you know me? Raise your hand. All? You guys know me? Aviral, you know? Last where you were in my class, right? हम्म क्या हुआ पढ़ चुके हो राइट यू वर इन क्लास 4 लास्ट ईयर नाइस प्रणव यू नो मी कैन आई गेट मोर श्योर बेटा डेफिनेटली हाँ हम्म oh thank you so much means a lot beta thank you yes hi Radhika good afternoon ready for the class okay good to see everybody on the class but very good to see that which is really great. So we have Ayan, Sanav, okay, we have Ayan, Swara, and Pratyush. Hello everyone, bacho. Very good afternoon to everybody. Welcome to the amazing class. So, okay, first tell me how was your examination? Yes, Swara? Yes, I'm Ronak, sir, definitely. You are in the last year, class 4. Nice. How is your studies going on? Tell me. Good. Okay, I think Mansha ma'am is taking your class right now, right? Nice. Good job, beta. Very nice. Thank you. I know many of my students are there in the class, sir. I got 41 out of 50. That's great. Okay, we have Prayag, Lalit, we have Yashmeet, Hutesh, and Riyansh. Very good afternoon to everyone, Bachu. Welcome to the amazing class. All right. Okay. And I hope all of you are super ready. Okay, everybody had your breakfast? Breakfast ho gaya sabka done? What did you guys had in the breakfast? I had aloo parathe in the morning. What about you all? Yes, Sansi. Hello. Yes, you are meeting me fourth grade. You know. So yes, how is your studies going on? Good. Enjoying the class right now in class 5. Which is great. Good. Class 4 or class 5? Both. Good one. Yes, tell me. Yes, I know. Yes, it is in class 5 we have. That's great. Swastika, hi beta, how are you? You haven't met me. First time you're meeting? Okay, actually, last year the students were already in class 4. I was taking their mathematics. Okay, so you are new students for me. I think you are gonna enjoy the class for the very first time with me, Hannah. Yes, six. Okay, yes, Vansh, you look very cool with the specs. क्या बात है? Good afternoon. Are you meeting me for the very first time? No, you know me? How do you know? Class 4, right? Huh? Then? क्या बात कर रहे हो? Okay, that's great. Ishwari, hi. Good afternoon. How are you doing? Okay, for the first time, are you attending? Okay, welcome to my class. Those who are attending for the very first time, I really welcome you all. Anshika, Cutie, Ridhi, Prabhakar, we have Aditi Singh, Lakshya Singh. Good evening to everyone, Bacho. Welcome to the amazing class of maths. Okay, how many of you know me? Raise your hand. Anshika, you know, you were in class last year, right? Nice. How's your studies going on? क्या बात है, very nice. Prabhakar, you know me? Last year. So tell me, how is your like studies going on? Good. Like Aditi, how about you? Yes, I was teaching you all maths. So right now, which is good? Fourth or five maths? Both? Five. Who is teaching you maths now? Mansha ma'am. Yes. Okay. Hi Riddhi. Good evening. Oh, sorry. आदत हो गया बेटा. Good afternoon. Sorry. You're meeting for the first time? Okay. Good. Hello Lakshya. Good afternoon, beta. How are you? I'm doing great. So are you meeting me for the first time or you know me very well? You know me how? You're in class 4 last year? क्या बात है वेरी नाइस मोस्ट ऑफ यू नो मी है ना थोड़ा थोड़ा तो लाइक पता ही है राइट बच्चों है ना आई एम नॉट अ स्ट्रिक्ट टीचर वेरी फ्रेंडली टीचर lots of fun I'm gonna do in the class and you're gonna love okay you remember the hashtag can you guys let's see how many of you remember the hashtag what oh nice क्या बात है बच्चे thank you all remember me right now so hashtag we are math warriors? Yes. Okay. The new students, let me tell you, whenever I was taking the class, I used to write this one. Okay. Yes. Hashtag be a math warriors. So basically, hashtag BMW. So that's a hashtag be a math warriors. Okay. Can we have this hashtag right away after the class? आज class में भी हो सकता है. Can we have that, बच्चों? Yes or no? Yes, definitely. Because after a long time, I'm meeting you. Very excited. You can see the smile on my face and the energy you can see. Hannah? Chalo, let's go meet you, sir. Okay. Anuj, Pariniti, Miss Awesome. We have Oda students and Pranayaki Naik. Hello, everyone. Good evening. Oh, why good evening? Why good evening? Good afternoon, Hannah. Because usually what happens, no, like I take the class mostly 6:50 p.m., Hannah. 6:50 p.m. when you join, you guys, we have a habit of telling good evening. So it's almost a Sunday class, Hannah. Yes, chalo, that's great. Okay, Akshita Pal and Arav Sahu, Shivam, we have Pragya and we have Ayush Raj. Again afternoon to all of you. Ready, everyone? Can we get a thumbs up right now, everyone? Quickly. शिवम कहाँ जा रहे हो बेटा घूमने हाँ yes right star okay Tirupati Aradhya Srushruta and we have Satvi good afternoon to everybody welcome to the amazing class okay चलो after a long time we are meeting बेटा है ना so let's give some energy in the class right away है ना energy तो बनता है बेटा क्लास में yes or no क्या बोलते हो बताओ what do you say the energy is must okay we'll be starting the class right away in 10 seconds and make sure that everyone is ready with a notebook okay all right okay So finally, Bacho, the bell has already rung. So once again, a very good afternoon to all of you, and I welcome you all to the amazing class of mathematics. That's IMO sample paper discussion. Okay. So good afternoon to all of you, my dear amazing students, and I hope all of you are doing really great. Okay. And first of all, I know it's Sunday, so wish you all a very happy Sunday. Take care from my side. All right, enjoy your Sunday, but little bit of study is also that's important. So we're gonna study for the next 1 hour. After that, we're gonna done for the day. ठीक है बच्चों? Can we start quick? R in the chat box. R for Onyx or R for ready? Yes. Okay. That's great. So before starting, Bacho, let me introduce to everybody once again. So students, my name is Ronak Bakshi. Okay, many of you know me very well. I am the mathematics master teacher here at ODA class. Okay, and many of you are meeting me for the very first time. So if you're meeting me for the first time, then you can type one in the chat box. Oh, but many of you know me, right? चलो कोई बात नहीं. Today's class is going to be a fantastic class. You're going to learn some amazing questions in the class. But before that, tell me, how was your yesterday's test? कैसा रहा test बेटा? Was it difficult? Was it super easy? Was it a wonderful test? बताओ. Good, medium, average, difficult. Okay, I know. Super easy. Okay. It's IMO beta. The difficulty is going to be increased, but no worries. Let's see, whenever you're going to appear for the International Maths Olympiad examination, that's your IMO, you will be specially getting this pattern, Bachu. Just have a look over here. So the IMO question paper will be divided into 4 sections. Section 1, if we talk about, that is the logical reasoning, where you'll be getting 10 questions for 1 marks each. Okay. Next, we have section 2, where we'll be getting mathematical reasoning, 10 questions for 1 mark each. Okay. Next, we have section 3, everyday mathematics for 10 mark questions for 1 marks each. And we have section 4, that is the achievers section, 5 questions for 2 marks each. Okay. Total will be 35 questions, 40 marks in your examination. So this is especially the exam patterns of the IMO. Okay. So tell me, how many of you are preparing for the IMO examinations? कौन-कौन IMO की तैयारी कर रहे हो बताओ? Me in the chat box. That's great. Okay. So that's great. And today's class is going to be really helpful for everyone. Yesterday's test will be discussing some of the important questions, right? And the difficulty question, which most of you have problems, right? Let's start with the very first questions right now, Bacho. Seven question mark 8, 8, 26, 5. You have to find the missing number if a certain rule is followed either row wise or column wise. Okay. Tell me, Bacho, what is the missing number you are going to get in this particular question? Option A 50, option B 30, option C 36, option number D, that is 25. What is the missing number that you all are going to get? Okay, all the best. First, you try it, and after that, I'm going to solve this question. Yes, read out the questions very carefully, beta. पहले questions को अच्छे से पढ़ लो. Then definitely you must select the answer. Find the missing number if a certain rule is followed either row wise or column wise. No mistakes. Take your time, beta. We are not going anywhere, right? Okay, 10 more seconds. Let me explain this questions after this, okay? Find the missing number if a certain rule is followed either row wise or column wise. Yes, good job everyone, Bachu. Now, please listen to me very carefully. I'm going to explain this question. Students, if you see the first row, अगर first row को observe करोगे, you can see the first number is 3, second number we have 14 and we have the number 4, that is the third number. So what we are doing, the first number and the last number, that is 3 and 4. 3 and 4 will be adding. So what is 3 plus 4, bacho? 3 plus 4 will be 7, and we multiply with 2 to get the middle number, that is 14. Got it? Now, if you go for the row number 3, right, you add 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 is how much? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 8 plus 5 is your 13. 13 you multiply with 2. 13 multiplied by 2 will be your 26. You are getting the middle number. Now, students, tell me, can we use the same approach in row number 2? Can we do it? Yes or no in the chat box. क्या हम लोग same approach use कर सकते हैं in row number 2? We can do it, right? So you add 7 plus 8. So Ronak sir, 7 plus 8 will be the number 15. 15 we are going to multiply with 2. So 15 to the 30. So the answer will be your option B. Are we clear on this part? क्या ये question सबको clear है बच्चों? Yes or no? Done? So first you multiply. If you see the row wise, okay, you multiply the first and the third number. Okay, sorry, first and third number you add. After adding, just multiply with 2. Double it. Okay, you take the answer. Clear? The answer that is in the place of missing number, the question mark, you will be getting the number 30. Got it? Let's go to the next question. All this section 1 for the logical reasoning part, bacho. Which will come next in the given series? You can see, look into the question very carefully. C, H, E, J, H, L, L, and Q, P. Will it be option A, VS, option B, WS, option C, VR, option D, WR? Okay, in the place of question mark, tell me what will be the next two alphabets? Students, look into the questions very carefully, beta. Okay. Which will come next in the given series? Good answer. Very good answer, everyone. Ten more seconds, okay? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Now, students, what is happening over here? Please listen to me very carefully. If you see the first alphabet we have C, E, H. First, you write the first alphabet. C, E, H, okay, L, and we have Q, correct? So after C, we are writing E, we are skipping D, right? Again, after E, we are skipping F, we are writing H. After H, okay, what we are doing? Yes, are we doing anything? No, let me tell you, the pattern is not going to be follow over here. So what we can do over here, if you want to solve this question, after C, okay, students, after C, okay, just, yeah, let me write in a big way, it will be easy for you. Okay, we have C, we have E over here, we have H, we have L, and we have Q. Now, if you see the alphabetical pattern after C, we are skipping the alphabet D, we are writing E. After E, we are skipping F and G, we are writing H. After H, we are skipping I, J, K. Got it? We are writing L. Again, after L, we are skipping the alphabet L, that is M, N, O, P. This part is clear. How you are getting, beta? This part is clear, type 1. Okay. First, we skip one letter, then two, then three, then four, followed by five. Okay. After Q, we have to skip how many letter? Five letter. Q, R, S, T, U, V. Okay. What will be the next one? What will be the next one? So definitely the first letter will be your W. Got it? Understood? Now, if you see for the second part, second letters are what? The second alphabet we have H, okay, we have J, we have L, we have N, we have P, and after that, this blank you have to fill. If you see the patterns better, okay, after H, we skip IJ. Okay, we skip what? After H, skip I, right? After J, skip K, right? Got it? After H, I, J, K, L, after that M, N, O, P, Q, and we'll be getting this R. Okay, only one letter we have to skip. Okay, one alphabet we have to skip. The pattern is clear to everyone, bacho? Yes, many of you have done incorrect, but right now it's clear, right? First, you can see in the first, first you can see the letters we have C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Followed by the second letters we have, okay, only one letters you have to skip. After H, I we are going to skip, we are writing J. After J, we skip the letter K, we write L. After L, we skip M, we write N. After N, we skip O, we write P. After P, we skip Q, we write R. So what is the answer? That is option number D, W, R. Clear है सबको बच्चों? Is this clear to all of you? Five in the chat box. Perfect. Thank you so much. Okay, let's go to the next question. Very easy peasy question this was, है ना? बहुत easy question था. Select a figure from the option which, when placed in the blank space of the given figure, would complete the pattern. You can see a pattern is going to be followed over here. And in the place of question mark, what will be the correct answer? Think and answer. Very few seconds I'm going to give you in this particular question. Yes. Okay. 10 more seconds we have, Bacho. Everybody must answer all the quizzes properly. Okay. Perfect. Virat Kohli. Very good, beta. Okay. So what will be the correct answer, Bacho? Now, many of you have doubts in this questions. Okay. Most of you have doubts in option B and C. But let me tell you, Bacho, if you look into the top part, same diff will be in the bottom part also, right? So now this side, can you see the strips we have? Okay, like cover this part. Okay, we are seeing this part. Okay, this part we're gonna watch first. Okay, can you see the strips over here? That is horizontal. Yes or no? Do you all agree with me? यहाँ पे जो strips है, that is horizontal. Yes, exactly. Now let's have a look into this part. ये जो part, I'm just circling this part. Okay. Can you see the vertical? We have strips. The lines are vertical. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So definitely wherever we have horizontal one, you just cancel that. That is not okay. Same over here. We have doubt in option A. Option A and C look very similar, right? Yes, Bachu, right? So what you do, you start doing like this. Okay, you draw a line. Okay, you can also try. Done. Okay. Now this line will be like this. Yes or no? Yes or no, Bachu? This line will be like this. Now, what will be the correct answer? What will be the correct answer? Yes, this line will be like this. This part corner will be shaded one. Got it? Now, if I draw a circle like this, okay, this line, which part will be the colored portion? Which part will be the colored portion, beta? This part, right? Because if you see the circle over here, first we have black followed by white, black, white, black, white, black, white. Got it? So now tell me which one will be your correct answer. Yes, definitely it is going to be your option number C. Got it? Yes, option number C. See, this everything is confusion in option A and C. Here also strips, here also strip. Here also this black triangle is shaded, here also it is shaded. But if you look into the circle part, right? If you look into the circle part, beta, it is following a pattern. First we have white color, then black. Again white, again black, white, black. Understood now? Is this clear? Is this clear to everybody? So this type of questions usually comes in the IMO examination. Now I hope it's clear. Okay, don't get confused. The option might be looking confusing, but you have to just select the correct answer, which is your option number C. Let's go to the next question. Find the number of triangles formed in the figure, bacho. In this given picture, how many triangles do we have? Okay, everyone must try. All questions are from section 1 for the logical reasoning. Triangle, right? You know that's a 2D shape which is having 3 sides and 3 corners, right? So find the number of triangles in the given figure. No problem, students. If you have done mistakes, koi baat nahi, okay? I'm gonna like explain all the questions properly so that it will be clear to everybody. Okay. So now, if you look into this picture very carefully, so this will be a triangle number 1, triangle 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, this you can see 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and one more we have that is 10. Okay. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So how many triangles we have, Bacho? We have total 10 triangles in the given picture. Got it? Triangle you know very well, right? Which is having your 3 sides and 3 corners. है ना? सबको पता है ना ये चीज? Everybody know triangle? So what will be the correct answer? We have total 10 triangles, beta. 10 triangles. Got it? Yes, sir. Chalo, very good. This question is really an amazing question. Okay. So let's see how many of you can solve it. If Karthik starts his singing practice from second Thursday, okay, and he practices only on even dates. Even dates means what? The number even. The term even means what? The numbers which you can divide with 2 beta. For example, 4, 8, like we have 12, 16, 18, right? 14, 20. You can easily divide with 2, right? That are even dates. Okay. So now, how many days does he spend on practice during August? Okay, assume every Sunday is a holiday. Sunday is a holiday, beta. Okay, Sunday means holiday, so don't count, beta. So what will be the answer? How many days does he spend on practice? Good question, really a good question, beta. Ten more seconds. Okay, all right. Please listen to me very carefully, beta. I'm going to explain this question. So, all right. First important thing is that if Karthik start his singing practice from the second Thursday, okay, second Thursday will be that is the 8th. So he's starting his that is practicing from 8th. So you circle 8 beta. Okay. Now, and he practiced only on event days. So he practiced only on event dates. Then how many days does he spend practice during the entire month of August? Okay, assume every Sunday is a holiday. Okay, so after 8, it will be your 10th. After 10th, it will be 12. After 12, it will be 14. It will be 15. It will be 16. Yes, 18. Can we take Bacho? Yes, but what he told, Karthik started and he practiced only on event dates. Event dates, so we cannot do it, right, everyone? So 18 we cannot circle. Yes, everyone. And also Sunday is a holiday. Yes or no? So after 18, you just cancel. You will take the 20. Okay, 20. After that, 22 you circle, 24th you circle, 26, 28, and 30. How many days? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, right? Total 11. Just got it. Very good questions, right? This part is important because it's already mentioned. He practices only on event dates. Event dates, beta. Like the number we have 8, 10, 12, 14, the number which you can divide by 2. That is the event numbers. Got it? Understood this questions 5 in the chat box, beta. Sabko clear hai? Is this clear? The good questions, but the wording is important. If you read out the questions very carefully, you can easily solve it. Okay, now let's solve this question. Okay, Bacho, in a certain code language, okay, gravity is written as HSBW jet UZ. Then how will excuse be written in the same code language? Okay, I'm not going to launch this quest, but I'm going to explain you this questions right now. Okay, so if you see the pattern for gravity, Gravity. Okay, what is the pattern it is following? Please listen to me carefully. After G, we are writing the next letter, that is H. After R, we are writing the next letter beta, that is S. है ना? After A, B. After V, W. After I, J. After T, U. And after Y, that will be Z. So the pattern over here, we are writing the next immediate letter. Yes or no? Do you all agree with me? हम लोग यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं? We are just writing the next immediate letter. So how will excuse be written in the same code language? So what will be the code for excuse? EXCUSE. Okay. What will be the code for excuse? Can you all tell me? Yes. After E, same patterns we have to follow. Same rule we have to follow, beta. E के बाद कौन सा letter है? That is going to be F, right? After E, we have F. After X, that will be Y. After C, that will be D. After U, it will be V. After S, it will be which one? After S, that will be T. Very good. And again, after E, that will be F. So option number E will be your correct answer. Is this clear to everyone? Is this clear to everyone, Bachu? So what will be the correct answer? That is going to be your option number A. Understood? The rule is clear to everyone. We are just writing the next letter. हम लोग बस यहाँ पे next letter को लिख रहे हैं. ठीक है? Done? Okay. Let's go to the next one. Okay. Which of the following Venn diagram correctly represent the relationship amongst week, month, and year? Okay. Is it option A, option B, option C, option D? Very good question. Yes, week, month, and year. Which Venn diagram is representing the relationship among week, month, and year? Okay, 10 more seconds we have, बच्चों. 3, 2, and 1. All right. So now, if you look into the questions better, the most important thing is that what are weeks? Okay. Correct answer will be option number A. Why? Let me explain you. Can you see the small circle? Let me share it this part. Can you see this green part? So green part is representing the week. है ना? Green part is representing the week. Now, if I shade the middle circle, that is the yellow, that is the middle one. Okay, this I'm shading. So I can say that month. The yellow one is going to be the month. Okay, right? And the green part is going to be a part of month. है ना? month में क्या आता है weeks आता है and in entire year we have months also, right? So that is why option A will be the correct answer. Got it? Yes, that is connected between week, month, and year. Understood the relationship we are getting? Because weeks are what? Weeks are a part of month, right? Month are what? Month are also part of years. Got it? So that is why the correct answer will be your option number A. Okay. Now let's solve this questions, everybody. Okay. Can you all tell me what will be the correct answer over here, Bacho? Mirror image, right? Let's discuss this only. We are not going to just discuss the questions today. Okay. Mirror image. Now, you all know very clearly that mirror image are the image better. For example, when you stand in front of your mirror, the same image will be formed. है ना? Same image form होगा. So what will be the correct answer? What will be the correct answer? Tell me. Yes. Now you can see this is the mirror. So you have to tell me this side what will be the image form. Okay. Now you can see the letter R is near to the mirror. So definitely, sir, the letter R will be near first. Yes or no? Yes or no, bacho? So we are writing the letter R first. After that, we have this symbol. What do you call this symbol? Anybody know? What do you call? Tell me. Hashtag. Okay, fine. Yes, good. So same symbol. So first you write the R, okay? Then will be the hashtag symbol. Now the number 7, okay? So you write the number 7 because it is near to the mirror. Same for that, you follow with S at the rate and 2, S at the rate and 2. But the most important thing, how you are going to identify that which one will be the correct answer, beta, right? Which one will be the correct answer? Now, if you see the other option, if you see the other options, beta, option C is first of all wrong. Can anybody tell me why option C is wrong? Why option C will be wrong? Tell me. Because at the rate symbol is same only. Got it? Second thing is that option D will be also wrong. Why? Because over here, the hashtag symbol is also same way. It will be reverse. Okay. So that is why this will be not like this. It will be in this panel. Got it? It will be in this way. उल्टा हो जाएगा ठीक है फाइन नाउ इफ यू चेक ऑप्शन ए एंड बी इफ यू चेक ऑप्शन ए एंड बी बेटा now everybody tell me which one will be the correct. I made you easy for you. Which one will be correct? Obviously A. Can you tell me what is the difference between option A and option B? Can you guys tell me? Because in option B, the letter R is written same way. So that is going to be incorrect. Yes, absolutely. So the correct one will be option number A. So you check with every options better. Whenever you're getting this, right? You cannot take a mirror in the examination and you can do like this and you can check the answer. Can we do that? Not possible, है ना? Examination में तो mirror allowed नहीं करता है, right? So we cannot put the mirror and we can see, sir, R is coming, sir, S is coming, right? We cannot do it, right? So what we can do, we can neglect other option. Other option we can check and we can see which is the incorrect one. Then you incorrect, remove those option and you check the correct one. Got it? Sir, I have checked. Eliminate. Yes, we call it elimination. Let's go and solve this question. Okay, can you all try? Arrange the following in a meaningful order from particularly to general. Okay. First, we have family, state, member, locality, community. Yes. What will be the answer? Quick, be quick, beta, so that we can revise maximum question. 10 more seconds. Okay. So now, Bacho, the first important thing is that when you are arranging in a meaningful order, right? The first one will be what? The members belongs to a family, right? So member will be the first priority. So members belong to what? Members belong to the family. Yes or no? Yes. So first, what you write? First, you write the member. So this will be coming first. After that, member. Okay, you let me arrange in the number way only. So member will be there. After member, the next person will be what? That will be the member comes under the family. Right. Now, a family lives where? A family lives in the, so member is done, family is done. A family lives in a locality, right? So third one will be your, that is B. Fourth one will be locality. Got it, Bachu? Yes. And what we call an a state. A locality is inside what? The locality is inside a state. So two. After that, and then a state is inside a country. Okay? So 3, 1, 4, 2, 5 will be the correct answer. Got it? That is the correct answer, Bachu. Got it? So order is what? First we have, that is going to be the member. After that, family, locality, state, and country. Clear, everyone? Okay. Now, can you tell me what is the odd one out in this question, beta? Can you all tell me? First, tell me what is the odd one out? Yes. Okay. Which one? A? Definitely it is going to be option number A, beta. Why? Let me tell you. If you see option B, C, and D, right? The inside part is shaded. जो inside part है, that is shaded. But if you see option number A, inside part is not shaded, and we have the outside part that is shaded. So that is why option A will be the odd one. Got it? Are we clear on this, Bacho? Are we clear on this? Very good. Now, let's solve this question. An angle which measure more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. What do you call this type of angle, Bachu? An angle which measures more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Can you all tell me what type of angle is it? Yes, this question was from the logical, like from the mathematical reasoning, right? Yes, the correct answer will be your option number C, reflex angle, right? So this will be your reflex angle, Bachu. Yes or no? Is it correct? Is it your reflex angle, beta? Yes, absolutely. Why? Because it is more than 180 degree. This is more than 180 degree beta, but it is not a complete 360 degree, right? Yes. So it is less than 360 degree. So this type of angle, we call it as a reflex angle. Got it? Okay. Now, the figure is made up of three squares, beta. Okay. Three square. So square number one, square number two, square number three. What fraction of the given figure is shaded? Can you all tell me? What fraction of the given figure is shaded? Can you all tell me? Yes. Just look into the picture very carefully, beta. Okay. Now we have three squares. Okay. This is square number one. This is square number two. This is square number three. Now what you can do, can you see a small portion of the triangle over here? Yes or no, बच्चों? यहाँ पे छोटा सा portion दिख रहा है? Yes. So this portion, can I add over here to make it complete this part? Can I do that? Is it possible? This part I can do the shaded one. Okay. So now what is happening over here, beta? If we shift the small shaded portion, right, we can say that half of this square is shaded. Okay. What we can do, I'm just shifting. Let me draw the square. Okay. Let me draw the square. Now I can say that half of the square is shaded. Can I say that? This part is shaded and this part will be vacant. It will be white only. So now what you can do, bacho, number of half square. Can you all tell me what is the number of half square? The number of half square. How many we have? Half square in one square. Yes, that is 2. Very good. So this is the half square we are getting over here, 1 by 2, right? Total square, how many we have? Total square pehle likho. How many total we have? That we have 3 square. Okay. Total number of half square. Can you all tell me how many half squares we have? Hmm? How many half square? Yes, total number of half square. Yes, 6. Why? Because this is half. Okay, half square can be half, 1, 2. In this part, we'll be getting 2, and this part will be getting 2. So 2, 2, 2 will be your 6. So half square, how many we have? 6. So fraction of the shaded portion, how we are going to write? That is number of. Okay, number of shaded half square. How many half square shaded we have, beta? That is 1. Okay, how many we have? That is 1. Okay, and total number, how many we have? Total number of half squares, that is going to be your which one? 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 will be the correct answer. Okay, a little bit of complicated, but I hope it's clear to everyone. Hannah, is this clear? Okay, let's go to the next question. You all know about the factors, right, बच्चों? Factors के बारे में सबको पता है? Yes. So which of the following has the greatest number of factors? Can you all try? Which of the following number has the greatest number of factors? Option A 25, option B 30, option C 10, option D 20. Which of the following has the greatest number of factors? Okay, good job everyone. So now बच्चों, if we see which of the following has greatest number of factors, मतलब सबसे ज्यादा factors है. If you see the factors of 25, what are the factors of 25? Can you all tell me? One itself is a factor, right? One is a factor. We have five as a factor and the number 25. Okay. So how many factors we have? We have three factors, right, everybody? If we see for the number 30, can you all tell me how many factor the number 30 is having? Let's count. Okay. 30 is having how many factors, bachcho? 1, 2, 3 is a factor, 4 is a factor, no. 5 is a factor, 6 is a factor, 7, 8, 9, no. Directly, one, two, 5, 10. How many factors of 20 are there? Can you all tell me? 20 का कितना factors है बच्चों? Very good. So if you see the factors of 20, let's count 1, 2, 4, 5, we have 10 and number 20. Which of the following has the greatest number? So out of all this number, which number having maximum number of factors? Can you all tell me? Yes, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? Definitely, it's going to be option number B because the factors of the number 30 is maximum, that is greatest. Understood? Is this clear? Most factor the number 30 is having. Okay. So this type of questions comes in your examination. Now, bachcho, let's solve this question. How many of you got this answer correctly? कितने जन को ये questions correct मिला बेटा? Did you got this answer correctly? If yes, you can write me in the chat box. Such a good question it is, right? Absolutely. Okay. Now, bachcho, if you read the question very carefully, okay. If you read out the question very carefully, the length of a rectangle is thrice its breadth. Okay. What is length? Length will be your thrice its breadth. Can I say that? Thrice means what? 3 times its breadth. Understood? Can I write in this way? Type 1 in the chat box. The length of a rectangle is thrice its breadth. Understood? Clear, बच्चों? क्या ये सबको clear है? Yes, Ronak sir. This is clear. Now, what is the length of the rectangle given, beta? Length is how much? So here we know that length is equal to 24 centimeter. So length will be 24 centimeter, 3 multiplied by breadth. So can you find the breadth, bachu? Can you find the breadth of the rectangle? Can you guys do? Yes. So breadth, how do we find? 24 centimeter You just divide it by 3. So what will be the breadth? Breadth will be your 8 centimeter. What is the breadth? Breadth will be your 8 centimeter. So if you multiply 24 into 8, you will be getting 192 centimeter square, or you can say square centimeter. Understood this part? Is this clear to everyone, bachcho? Done. So option number C will be the correct answer. How many of you understood this question? कितने जन को ये क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गया बेटा? Is this clear to everybody? Done. So the length of a rectangle is twice its breadth. If the length of the rectangle is 24 centimeter, find its area. Good question. Really a good questions from the IMO, right? Okay. So length will be what? Three times thrice its breadth. Thrice means what, bacho? Three times. Three times its breadth. You multiply 3 with breadth. And you know that length is 24 centimeters. So 3 multiplied by breadth. Breadth, what I do, whenever you are going to find the breadth of the rectangle, beta, you just divide this because it will be coming in the denominator. So 24 divided by 3 will be how much? That will be 8 centimeter. Got it? Now you know the length, you know the breadth, easily you can find the area, beta. Clear, everyone? Okay. Is this clear to everybody? Done? Okay. Now let's solve this question. Okay. If 2 by 3 of a number is 6, then what is 5 times of the same number? All the best. Let's see how many of you can do it. Okay, now bacho, break the question into part. Okay, I'm making. Okay, first you're going to learn this part. 2 by 3 of a number. So you write it down. 2 by 3 of a number. You know this keyword is off. Off means what, bacho? Can anybody tell me what is off? Off is basically the keyword of multiplication, right? Multiply, absolutely. So 2 by 3. 2 by 3 multiplied by number is equal to 6. Can I write? Because 2 by 3 of a number. So 2 by 3 multiplied by number is equal to 6. Is 6 means equals to 6, bacho. Now, students, what I can do? 2 multiply, okay, sorry, let me write 2 multiplied by number is equal to 6 into 3. What I am doing, very simple. This 3 I am multiplying with 6. Okay, so 2 multiplied by number is equal to 18. So what will be the number, बच्चों? Number यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? 18 divided by 2. So my number will be 9. This part is clear. See, I'm teaching you in a very simple way, beta, step by steps. Okay? 2 by 3 of a number. So 2 by 3 of a number is equal to 6. Now 2, what you do? 2 multiplied by this number, this 3 denominator you multiply with 6. Got it? So 6 3s are 18. Number will be what, bacho? 18 by 2. Yes, Avaz, these questions are not hard, beta. All are from the Olympiad only, okay? 18 divided by 2 will be 9, okay? So what is 5 times of the same number? Students, times means you know, 5 times. 5 times means you multiply. 5 times number. So what is the number? Number is your 9, sir. That will be 45. The answer is option C. Got it? क्या ये clear है बच्चों? Can we have hashtag we are math warriors? I know you guys are feeling tough, है ना? Not tough, but if you practice more, okay? Chalo, very good. Hashtag be a math warriors. Good job in the class, beta. Very nice, okay? Right. Don't feel very sad if you have done mistakes. No problem, beta. Mistakes are always a part of learning, okay? All right. Can we go to the next question, bacho? Can we go to the next question? Okay. All right. Now, this question, let me explain to everybody. It will be easy, beta. Okay. When, okay, right. When 156 is subtracted from 3 times a number, okay? From, listen to the questions, very important, 156, okay? You write 156. Subtracted, so before that you put subtraction sign. 3 times a number, so 3 into number, can I say this part? Yes, can I say this part, bachu? Yes, 3 times number. Okay, 3 times number. Okay, 3 times number subtracted 156. Result is coming, what the answer is coming? 192. You have to find what will be the number. Okay. What will be the number, Bachu? Very sorry, everyone. Okay, you have to tell me what will be the number. Okay. Look into the question first and try to understand better. When 156 subtracted from what? Subtracted from 3 times a number. I'm doing the same thing. Yes, 3 times a number, you're subtracting 156, which result in your the number 192. So what you can do, you can solve it. You can solve it. So 3 times number, bachu. 3 times number. So what you do? 192 you write. You're wondering that, sir, where is the number 156? Where is the number 156, beta? So basically, I'm just shifting this 156 towards the right side. So here is the negative sign. Here you can see minus sign. So minus sign will be changed to plus sign. Okay. Now, 3 times. Everybody listen to me carefully. 3 times number. 3 times number will be how much? That will be your 348 if you solve it. So what will be the number? What will be the number, bacho? Number will be 348 you divided by 3. Okay, let's do the division. Okay, what will be the answer? Can you guys help me out? 348 if you divide it with 3. What will be the answer? Tell me. 3 ones. Okay, 116. Okay, correct. 116. Very good. It will be 116. Understood this question? Or should I explain you 1 second? Should I explain you 1 second, beta? Yes? Pakka? No? Yes or no? Why or no? No. Okay, fine. Okay, let me remind you 1 second what is given in the question. When 156 is subtracted from 3 times a number, the result is 192. So 3 times number, you might be wondering that, sir, this minus 156, negative 156 is there, beta. If you shift towards the right hand side, अगर इसको जब right hand side आओगे, the minus sign change to plus. Okay, in higher class you'll be learning more in detail. You have to do the addition. Okay, so 190 to 156, if you add, you get 348. So 3 times number is equal to 348. Number will be how much? 116. Got it? Are we clear, bachu? Just tell me what will be the answer for this. Quickly tell me. Let's discuss this. What will be the answer for this, bachu? Yes? Okay. All right. Now, if you see the number 238850, okay. You know about the Indian number system. सबको पता है ना बच्चा? Indian number system, you guys know very well. Yes. So, when we talk about Indian number system, the placement of comma is very, very important. So, you put the comma from your right side. First comma will be after 3 numbers, again after 2 numbers. This part is clear. Yes. So first will be ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, and lakh. So the answer will be your 2,38,850. So that is why 2,38,850 will be the correct. Now this was very simple. ये तो बहुत simple थे बेटा. Understood? Yes. Tell me what about this? What type of angle formed between two hands given on the clock? Okay, you can see the hour hand is pointing towards the number that is beyond 3, and this number minute hand is pointing towards the number 8. Okay, tell me, bacho, what type of angle is formed between the two hands? Tell me what will be the answer. Okay, what will be the answer? Can you all tell me? Obtuse? Yes, exactly. Why is it obtuse angle? Why is it obtuse angle, beta? Yes, because it is less than 180 degree, but more than 90 degree. Got it? If you see the angle very clearly, it's looking like a obtuse angle. है ना? Obtuse angle, beta. Okay, obtuse angle. This angle. Okay. Yes, that is what? Less than 180 degree and more than 90 degree. Understood this part? Clear these questions to everyone, bachu? Done? Okay. All right. Now, yes, tell me, what about this? Which of the following Roman numeral represent the given sum? Try this question, everyone. Really a good question on Roman numbers. Okay, students. Yes. First, let me explain these questions to everyone. So, what will be the correct answer for this? Okay. The Roman numeral representing the given sum. So, what is the sum? First, you have to find it out. Okay. You have this number 1140 and 869. If you add it out, what numbers are we going to get, Bacho? If you add it out, what numbers are we going to get? Yes, we'll be getting 9002, 2009. Okay, so 2000 is the sum which we are getting, right? Now this 2009, can I write it as 2000 plus 9? बच्चों क्या ये पॉसिबल है? 2000 plus 9 is possible. Now what is the Roman number for 1000? Can you tell me what is the Roman numeral for 1000? You guys know Roman numeral क्या है thousands के लिए? M. Very good. So if one M is 1000, other M will be also can be also 1000, right? So that will be M M. What is 9 is? 9 can be written as MM plus IX. Got it, Bachu? Is this clear to everybody? Yes. So option A will be the correct answer. First, you do the addition. Okay. Not like that. You just like 100. Okay. After that 100 you write, again you add 40, again that is going to be a difficult for you, right? First you add it, you get 2009, you break into 2000 plus 9, so 1000 is representing M, so 2000 will be representing MM bacho, and 9 in the Roman numerals you can write it down as IX. Got it? Is this clear to everyone, bacho? Is this clear to everyone? Okay, let's solve this question. Let's solve this questions. Okay, can you all tell me what will be the answer for this? What will be the answer for this, bachcho? Okay, everyone must try. Okay, A, B, C, or D. CD is costing rupees 1500, and how many 619 CDs will cost? Perfect. Let me explain. No worries. Okay, no problem, beta. I know the the paper was a little bit difficult, but mistakes are always a part of learning, right? So what is given? Total cities. How many total cities we have? Total we have 619. Okay. Now, bacho, if one city, one city is costing rupees 1500, then 619 CD will be what? Can you all tell me? क्या करने वाला हूँ? You multiply rupees 1500 multiply with 619. Is it difficult? क्या ये difficult है बेटा? Is it difficult? Yes or no? Not difficult, right? So the answer will be definitely, if you solve it, option number B. Got it? Yes, very simple, beta. Total we have 619 CD. So one CD is 1500. 619 CD will be multiply this. You get your answer. Clear hai sabko? Is this clear? Very good. Okay, let me explain this question to all of you. If Preeti type, okay, listen to me very carefully. Many of you have doubt in this also. If Preeti type 24,576 words for presentation consisting of 128 pages, okay, there is a words, okay. So total words, how many she is typing? Typing that is 2576, okay. And what is the total pages? Total pages is how much, bacho? 128. First, you write all the data. Now, how many words each page contains? Okay, if each page has the same number of words. Good question. Okay, so now tell me, beta, are we going to divide or multiply? क्या करने वाले हो? Total words you have this. Total pages we have 128. So simply you divide 128 with 24576. Okay. If you do the division properly, beta, your answer will be turned out to your option number C, 192. Got it? The statement question is clear to everyone, बच्चों. Quick 5 in the chat box. क्या ये सबको clear है? Yes, is this clear, beta? 5 in the chat box. Done. Total words is this much. Total pages is 128. So each page, how many words will each page contain? So you just divide. That's it. Done, everyone? Is this clear to everyone, beta? Is this clear to everybody? Okay. This questions, how many of you have doubt? You can write D in the chat box. This questions, anybody have doubt? किसी को डाउट है इस क्वेश्चंस में? डाउट? Okay. Let me explain this question to everybody, बच्चों. Just listen to me very carefully. All right. Each floor, each floor of a high-rise building is fitted with 15 doors. Okay. There are 18 floors in each building. Okay. And there are 20 such building in a complex. Calculate the total number. Okay. First, each floor is having how many? Yes, each floor is having 15 doors. Okay. So bachcho, total doors, how can you do? Total doors can be what? 15 multiplied with 18. So that will be 270. Why you might be wondering this, why you are multiplying? Because each floor is having 15 beta and total there are 18 floors. So 18 will multiplied with 50 will 15 will be 270. Understood this part? This part is clear, bacho. This is the total number of doors. Total number of doors. Now, the next part of the question, it is meant that this is for one building. This is for one building. And in this complex, we have how many buildings? We have 20 buildings, bacho. So for 20 buildings, what will be the answer? For 20 buildings, you multiply 270 into 20. So 27 twos are 54. You put 00. That will be 5400. Got it? Is this clear to everyone, bacho? Is this clear to everybody? Yes or no? Quick five in the chat box. Done? Okay. So this will be your correct answer. Got it? Understood? Yes, very good. So that's great, bacho. And I hope most of you have understood the questions which was solved in yesterday's examination, right? Clear hai sabko? Any doubts you have, bacho? Yes, you can download the, you can also download, you can download it and you can also check about the progress. Okay. Clear to everyone? Got it? Yes. Okay. Did you all enjoy the class today, bacho? Any doubts if you have, you can let me know. Did you guys enjoy the class? Yes, okay. You can do practice. Okay, practice from the book also better. And you can also ask your mentor teachers and you can just watch the questions. Okay, you can take the PDF of the entire, those who have missed the test better, you can take the PDF of the questions and you can later solve it. Okay, bye. Okay. Thank you everybody for joining this amazing class beta. And definitely we will be meeting very soon in the upcoming classes. Okay. I know many of you, yes, you can see the leaderboard on the screen. Okay. Okay, good performance from everyone, but you guys have done an excellent performance in the class. Okay, because after a long time we met, most of you have done very good. Okay, got it. Amazing class. Thank you, Bachu. Thank you so much. Okay, complete your yes, not homework, but yes, happy Sunday to all of you. Enjoy your day. Yes, definitely keep coming, sir. Yes, better. If I get time, I'm gonna take more classes also in the upcoming days. Okay, fine, fine, fine. Okay, bye everyone. Bachu, bye bye. Take care and thank you for joining this class. Happy Sunday to all of you. Okay, hashtag Dear Math Warriors. Happy Sunday. Enjoy your day. Bye bye, students. Bye bye.